In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Google Play Store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect after you submit your request, and how long refunds typically take. First, make sure you're on an Android device with the Google Play Store installed and that you're signed in with the same Google account you used for the purchase. If you use more than one account on your phone, this is important because your order history is tied to a specific account. Start by opening the Google Play Store app. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon to open your account menu. From there, choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is where Google keeps your purchase tools and your order history. Next, tap Budget and History. You'll see a list of everything you've bought using that account, including apps, games, and other digital items. Scroll through the list and find the item you want to refund. Tap on that purchase to open its details. On the Purchase Details screen, select Report a Problem. This is the official path for starting a refund request. You'll be asked to choose a reason that best matches your situation, such as an accidental purchase or something not working as expected. Pick the most accurate reason, and, if there's a text box, briefly explain what happened. Keep it clear and honest. Straightforward explanations help the review go smoothly. When you're done, submit your request. After you submit, Google will review it and usually send a response within 1 to 4 business days. For apps and games, if the request is made quickly, some straightforward refunds can be processed within about 48 hours. If it's outside that quick window, the decision may depend on Google's policies or require input from the developer. Either way, most outcomes are finalized within 1 to 4 business days. Refunds are typically returned to your original payment method. Processing times can vary depending on your bank or card provider, so even after Google approves the refund, it might take a little longer to appear on your statement. Keep an eye on your email for updates, and you can also revisit Budget and History to monitor the status of the transaction. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Double-check you're requesting the refund from the correct account, choose the reason that truly fits your case, and add a concise explanation if prompted. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps, submit your request, and watch for the response.